Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, in this video we will learn how to change our favicon, okay? Our favicon of our website. So in this video we will learn how to change favicon in our website or in our Divi theme, okay? So let's get started. So for this, first of all, you have to log in our website. Then after login, then we have to go appearance, then customize, appearance, then customize. So wait some seconds. So then we have to go general settings, then site identity, then change image, okay? Site icon are what you see in browser tabs, okay? So this is the favicon, and then site icon should be square and at least 512 into 512 pixels, okay? So change image, and we delete this, delete permanently, upload our favicon, upload it, and then alter text. I mean the best fab icon description. I mean the best fab icon. Select it. So this is how we can change our favicon, okay? So enough for today. So I will see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.